Hi guys, welcome to my new channel. This channel is going to be all about makeup. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I create flawless skin. So let's get into it. To create flawless skin, you have to start with a flawless skin prep application. So I first start by toning the skin, adding hyaluronic acid, and then I go in with this Embroylisse Latte Cream Moisturizer. Next, I'm going to add some primer to her skin. And for primer, I used Makeup Forever Step 1 Mattifying Primer. And then on top of it, I'm going in with this MAC Strobe Cream. And what this does is give her face some luminosity before we do the makeup. So next, I'm going in with this Dermablend Cover Cream underneath her eyes to just give her under eye area some brightness, and so that at the end her under eye area kind of stands out and pops a lot more. For foundation, I'm using AJ Crimson foundation, and I'm just using a brush to apply it. Then I go in with the beauty blender just to blend everything in. And I'm using the same AJ Crimson. I'm using the palette for her contour as well. And as highlight, I'm using Tarte Shape Tape first, and putting it in the points of her face that I want highlighted. And then I'm going in and now I'm contouring her nose with the same AJ Crimson foundation. So I'm just using my beauty blender to blend her face in the areas that I want, like just in the way that I want it blended. I try to blend the highlight in an oval, so like it creates kind of an oval, and then I'll flip the beauty blender to the back to blend the contour in. So I'll use the triangle parts to blend the highlight and then the bottom to blend the contour. So next, because I want more of an emollient look, I'm going in with this Kevyn Aucoin foundation and just putting a little bit on top of the highlight, on top of the Tarte. So now I'm going in and setting the highlighted points of her face with Danessa Myricks Evolution powder. I used the yellow one and I mixed it a little bit with the white one just to create the color that I want. And this powder is very finely milled, so it really just gives me an overall a really good result. And then for all over her face, I'm going in with RCMA No Color powder. So I'm going to place the Evolution powder right here in order to catch fallout from the eyeshadow, just so that it doesn't mess up, the face that I already did. So because this video is more of a skin video, I'm not really going to go in depth as to how I did the eyeshadow, but I have the footage. I don't really want it to go to waste. But if you guys want me to do a more in-depth tutorial as to how I did this eyeshadow, please let me know. And just to let you guys know, I did use the Morphe 3502 palette to create this eye look. Okay, so I'm applying lashes now. Before I do this, I press the powder that's supposed to catch the fallout into her skin. Then I go in with MAC Skin Finish in a shade that matches her highlight that matches her highlight color so that I don't cancel color away. And I just lightly dust a little bit underneath her eye because I just like how this looks under the eyes. So next I'm going in with the Iman powder that has like a red undertone that's darker than her in order to give her skin some bronziness. So next I'm going to spray her face with Max Fix Plus. Guys, please excuse my hands. I got some eyeshadow on it by accident. But this is my little trick. After I spray the face with Fix Plus, I go in with my beauty blender to press the Fix Plus into her skin. And this helps, one, make the highlights stand out a lot more. And it just gives the skin a dewy appearance. So now I'm going in with some highlight. This is from Black Radiance medium to dark palette, and I'm using the highlight there, and right here she's just doing a video for the gram, but I am putting that on her cheeks and her nose. Next I'm going in with Crayon Case Anglowla highlight, and that's what I'm using, placing on top of the previous highlight. I'm just lighting her lips and putting on some lipstick. So now I'm going to spray her face with Nye Final Seal, and we are done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Leave any questions in the comment section. Any looks you guys want me to create, leave them in the comment section. And yeah, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my Instagram at Made Up by Temi. And if you're located in the DMV area, you could book me at www.madeupbytemi.com. But if you're not, I do travel. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.